Simone. I am here for the latest unboxing of the Beem Box. If you would like to see what I received this time and how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Okay, we're getting ready to open the Beem Box. This is for January, February 2022. This is how it's looking. Beautiful like always. So let's see what's inside. The first item, it's called a blush boost from the Good Mineral. Okay, this looks like some blush powder. This is the package. This is how the packaging looks. Get an instant beauty boost with blush powder made from glowing mineral color pigments. The perfect blush for pigmented skin. You can uplift your vibe in an instant. This company is cruelty-free, vegan, and is a Black-owned business. So all of the products that are featured in this box, they're all the same. Like, they're all cruelty-free, all vegan, and they're all Black-owned businesses, okay? All right, so let's open this up. It's a blush powder. Ooh, this looks pretty. I like how the packaging looks. So this is the color here. It's called Hot in Here, or Hot in Her. I can see myself using this. Wait, how do you open this? Oh, shoot. Cut! Y'all, I just opened this powder and it splattered all over me. This is how it looks on the inside. On to the next item. So the next one is a Luminous Satin Lipstick from Propa Beauty. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks. This is how the box looks. A satin lipstick with an incredibly creamy and smooth texture that glides on effortlessly. A sheer to full buildable color coverage. Use the highest point of the bullet to shape the lips. No lip liner is needed. Ha! Okay. Well, let's see what they're talking about here. Beautiful packaging. Let's see what this color's looking like. If I can open it. Okay. Okay. This color is speaking to me. I like this. This color is called Prowess. I think that's how you say it. So yeah, this is how it's looking. Okay, Propa Beauty. The next item is a matte bronzer. It's from LYS Beauty. Okay, I think. Okay, here it is. A clean, buildable, velvety matte bronzer with a talc-free formula that sculpts, defines, and livens up the complexion. This ultra buildable powder effortlessly buffs into the skin, adding a natural contour and warmth to the complexion without accentuating the skin's texture. Okay. All right. So this is how the package looks. And this is the color that I have. It's in dark and it's called Strength. It looks like it's a good match for me as a bronzer. So I can't wait to use that. Next item, it is a brow gel from Lamik Beauty. This is how it's looking. This is how the box looks. You can see. The Lamik Beauty's brow gel brushes on to groom, shape, and set brows for a look that lasts all day. A perfect 12-hour long wearing gel with a soothing formula that conditions brows. And it's noted here that it's also available in Ulta if you want to just buy that. Okay, so this is how the packaging is looking. Very nice. Last but not least, it wouldn't be complete without a palette. There's a 12-pan eyeshadow palette by Beaute. Okay, ooh, this packaging is really pretty. I like that. That's really pretty. This palette features 12 eyeshadow colors that can be used to create bold, sultry looks. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest, smoothest application and the most excellent color payoff. Okay, that sounds good to me. Let's see what kind of colors are in here. Natural vibe or colorful vibe? Let's see what's going on in here. Ooh wee, yes. Yes indeed. Okay, I like this. I like this. So these are the colors that I received. And it's funny because I'm wearing purple today. Okay, okay. I like that. So this is from Beaute, and this is the Paradise Fallen palette. Okay, very beautiful colors. I'm going to have fun with this. Oh, and there's a black. There's all these. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have fun with this one. Yes indeed. They really did their thing putting this box together. Okay, so I have an eyeshadow palette, a bronzer, a blush powder, lipstick, and a brow gel. Okay, I see you, Beem Box. So now it's time to try all of these products in the box, and I will come back with my comment. So I've tried all the products. I have to say I am pleased once again from the Beem Box. I really love the eyeshadow palette. Like the color payoff is on point. It's very pigmented. I really love this lipstick that I'm wearing. It feels moisturizing. At the same time, it feels really lightweight. And I'm a big fan of that. It kind of feels like I don't have anything on, but there's still nice color there and great coverage. I feel like the blush is, like, I don't use powdered blushes. It can be a bit messy for me personally, but I still like it. I'd still wear it. It's a nice color for my complexion. The brow gel, it looks like it's gonna hold everything in place. I'm not an expert when it comes to brows. I don't know. They might look a mess. I think it looks okay. I'm happy with it. Am I missing any products? Oh, the bronzer. The bronzer did what needed to be done. It brought some nice warmth to my face. This might be one of my favorite boxes that I've received so far. I really love that eyeshadow palette. I'm happy with this eye. I like this look. Wow, I like this. I'm so happy. Oh, it's been a while since I did my face, so I'm a little excited. But once again, I am happy. So that's it for this review slash unboxing of the latest Beem Box. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you plan on staying. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. This may be one of the most inconsistent channels on YouTube. I appreciate you sticking with me. I thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.